here we go. Wow. Do it up, Jace.
Son now is Son Digger.
Son of a digger. Oh. Oh, that was sick.
Now
All right, who's
for
up?
Cars.
You want to hit your switch so you can flip your cars?
Yeah.
Go ahead. On your garage.
Oh my
Hit your
God.
lever so all your cars come down.
Where? Levers?
Why don't we move this? Why don't we move some of your bigs out of the way? Look at all them cars. We have so many doubles, guys. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
He's got 3 Max Ds. Hold on, Jace. We have all kinds of them. Even the littles. We have so many different kinds from different series. Monster Jam is so awesome.
Ready, Mama? Ready?
Ready, guys? Oh. Oh. Now put it down. Yep. Now pick it up. Oh. Right into the couch. Oh.
How? How?
Pick it up. Pick up your lever. Now push them forward. Sometimes the wheels aren't set on the track the right way. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Give him a little boost. Woo! That's sick.
Maxie.
Why don't you just do your other levers?
Oh, huh?
You have more.
Let's see. Do
Over here, look. Watch. Oh, we're missing one.
Yep. This.
All right. They're going to fall. We're missing it. All right. We have those. And then why don't you set off Pirate's Curse
Pirate's Curse.
so he can do his flip. Oh! Why don't you put Gravedigger on it?
This one?
That one's supercharged.
Let me do that one.
Woo!
Mama.
And then we can stick somebody inside the elevator, right? Because we have an elevator.
That one.
This thing is so cool.
Nope.
And it lifts up. And then when you hit the switch, it comes back down.
Nope. Nope. Let me shut up.
That's the original Gravedigger. All right, we will be back.